In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade the range, or at least I'm going to show you how I traded today's range really well. I'm up $2,600 on my Tradeify account. I'm up just under $400 on my top one futures account. I took different trades in different directions throughout the day. I'm going to show you all of those in this video. If you're new to my channel, if you're new to my videos, my name's Austin Silver. I appreciate you checking this out. Hopefully you'll take some value from this, whether what to do or what not to do. I'm here to show you the wins, the losses, everything in between to help shorten your learning curve as best I can. If you are not funded with Tradeify or Top One Futures, I can save you big. Use the code ASFX. There's also a link in my bio for those discount codes. So let's talk about this morning. First, I want to show you the trade. You see 356 here on the Top One Futures account. This comes on Fed Day. We knew today could be very choppy because at 2 o'clock, Powell came out to announce that there were no rate cuts. We knew that that was coming. So everyone was anticipating, well, what's he going to say at 2:30? So in that anticipation, the market was very range bound. Having traded through many Fed days before, I know that that can happen. So the range we were really looking at was here. I'm looking at NQ now, not ES, but you can see the initial low set on Monday became yesterday's high. That's the top of the range, and yesterday's low was the bottom of the range that we were trading within. And if you look at it, of course, in hindsight, you can see shorts from the top of the range here. This is 9:30 at market open. This is like 9:45, 10 o'clock. Those shorts work. And then longs from the bottom of the range work into the afternoon as well. So back to my trade, I'm long at 56.24 here at the bottom, thinking, okay, we consolidated here at the top. We know that's probably our range high. That's also opening range high. It's the high set in the first 15 minutes. This is opening range low. So we're also consolidating near opening range low. Because the opening range itself was only about 20 points, I knew that if I went into this trade with a 10-point stop loss, I could be fine to scalp this towards the New York VWAP and towards the previous day New York VWAP. As two VWAPs come into collision like that, I look to use those as a target, especially if I'm trading against the trend. The trend is down and I'm fighting that VWAP. So I'm going to look to take profit there. So that was this trade, in and out, very little drawdown because I got a really good price. But if I would have held too long, or if I would have locked my stop at break even, I would have been tapped, which sucks. Let me show you. We'll get there. We'll get there. This is the rest of the trade. So now you can see it would have stopped me, held the original stop loss, and then carried higher, still trading within that range today. So I was able to capitalize here on the long side. Then I go do my workout. I come back and I'm able to catch this short position from 56.53 down to 56.48. This is on my Tradeify account, as you can see with that P&L screenshot. So they're just 5 minis, hard, but I'm at the top of the range. Look at the price, 56, 52, 53. Again, stop is outside the highs, outside the range, and I'm looking to trade back in. Same way I was long down there earlier. So I'm respecting the thesis of it's FOMC day. We're likely to trade in a range. I just got to find the levels and I can make some money. So I was willing to take this heavy and I ended up making $1,100 on that. So those were the two trades today during the New York session. Last night, I caught a scalp here after the massive move up, 81, 82 points on the talks that Trump and China are going to meet. I bought the retest of the VWAP at 63 and I closed it at 68. That was, again, 6 minis long. Closed that for 5 points. That's a nice win. So that's how you get the account back up after a max daily loss day yesterday. So what else I want to show you? This one. I think this was the trade we could have been in this morning on stream. It's a mid-range trade like we teach in Futures 101. I'll put a link for the free course down below, Futures 101, for those of you that have not seen it. This is, textbook. Opening range set. Here's your stop at opening range low. Target is opening range high. Why didn't I take it? I felt a little uncertain this morning. I wanted to make sure I had clear levels to identify the range. So I was very patient this morning. And notice, if you would have assumed that opening range high was the top of the range, you would have been wrong, depending on where your stop loss was. So by giving the day more time to develop, I can see the range fully like here. And I can see, okay, I want to be short here. I want to be long here. It's a little bit outside the range, but those lows and those highs are holding. So then they become good stops and good targets. So that's how I traded the range today. But the thesis of it comes from my understanding it's Fed day. We may consolidate. We've been kind of consolidating yesterday, even into today. Let's see how things shake out. So then to finish the day, look at how we shake out. higher. So there's my entry up here, 56.53. We get a big flush lower into the 2 o'clock news, and then it shakes higher now to finish the day. Stocks are rallying, even with Google down about 7.8%. There's 15 minutes left in the market, but Nvidia's up 3%, Facebook's up 2%. So maybe a little bit of a rally here to finish the day, but that's okay. I don't need any of this money. I made my money before the news. I don't have to be an amateur and chase the news. A lot of people are blowing their prop accounts chasing news. Try not to do that. Try to get on stream with us on ASFX TV. Make your money in the morning. That's what we recommend you do. If you do need new prop accounts, there's a discount code in the link pinned or link in the description. Use the code ASFX. I mean, you could basically use it anywhere. Use it at Walmart. You'll probably get a discount. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. I'll see you Saturday for a new podcast, or I'll see you in the next trading recap.